Hey everyone, Technomentor here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unpair your Apple Watch using these methods. I'm going to show you two different ways. One, directly from your iPhone, which is recommended, and the second one is if you just have the Apple Watch, you want to follow these steps. So let's get started. So the easy and the simple way to unpair your Apple Watch is on your iPhone, just simply open up the Watch app itself. Once you open up the Watch app, you're going to see probably all of this setting. You'll just need to click on All Watches, so you can see basically the watches that are connected. So I have only one watch here connected, and all I do is click on this eye icon and then go down a little bit further. There's the option to unpair the Apple Watch. What will happen is when you unpair the Apple Watch, it's going to go ahead and log you out and then factory reset your Apple Watch. Something you would do if you were looking to sell, trade, give away your Apple Watch, or if you're looking to pair it with a new device. Now, if you don't have it connected with your iPhone and you want to do it directly from the Apple Watch itself, what you'll do is go to the setting app itself, and from there on you're going to go to General and then scroll all the way down to Reset. So you're going to click on Reset and you're going to do erase all content and setting. However, if you do this method of reset, it's still going to have your Apple account on this. It's not going to remove the Apple account. It's just going to reset it. But then when you try to set it up again, you have to enter your Apple ID and connect it to your app in another of your account. So if you're setting it up with another iPhone, like if you upgrade iPhone, this is something you would do if you're just looking to reset it. So I'm going to show you what will happen here if I unpair. So I click on Unpair, and then as you can see here, we'll click on Unpair, and then you're going to have to enter the Apple ID password here. So once you enter the Apple ID password, it will basically start unpairing it. It will give some time. It'll load up here. I'm not going to unpair here right now, but you have the idea here. You click on Unpair after you enter your Apple ID password. That's basically connected with this, and it will remove that account and do a factory reset. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.